Hi, my name is Mikala Hicks, and I will be doing my video report on my custom project. My custom project was making 4 movie posters for 2 games and 2 TV shows. The 2 games that I chose were Five Nights at Freddy's, the 4th one, and Undertale, and the 2 TV shows that I had chosen were Steven Universe and Dragon's Race to the Edge. My criteria for this was to make one of the characters from each of the posters transparent in the background to make them have more of a menace appeal due to them being the bad guys in each of the movies. I also managed to put titles on it for each one, along with aligning each of the characters on the movie posters to where I had imagined them being. The equipment that I had used was Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. I used Photoshop to help align the characters, and I used Illustrator to color in and draw all of the characters that were in the posters. It kind of took me longer than I had expected it to be due to the fact that each of the characters had their own detailing, so I had to somewhat lengthen my production timeline than it already had been, and plus it took me a lot longer to find titles kinds for each of the posters. I used a couple websites that I had found that deal with mostly movie posters and how to create transparency in them. And my task list was communicating with others. How I did this was I pretty much had some people come over to see how my posters were doing, and I also had help with doing the titles by making them detailed to the movie posters. How I had help with that was Daleen gave me different word kinds. She found movie Word documents that had the titles of the characters alignment on theirs, so I used that along with finding Word titles that you could download and then add to the software that you used. That is all, and I am Mikala Hicks with my custom project.